Greetings everyone, my name is Tom and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to go over one of the valuable tools that I use to create every one of my videos. And that tool is Tubebuddy. Now with Tubebuddy, you can download it for free, laptop, tablets, even your mobile devices such as this cell phone that I'm recording off of. The app itself is free. You can upgrade the app from just the regular free version to the more expensive version. Same thing like the download for your computers. You have the free download, which doesn't cost a thing to download, and it goes right into your browser on YouTube. You get the free download. The next one is Pro. The next one after that is Star, and then the next one after that is Legends. I highly suggest that you try out Tubebuddy for free. Like I said, start out small if you've never been into it. If you have doubts about it, start out small and then work your way into the more upper parts. Creators use them. If you haven't seen the videos from Nick Nimmons and Dee and Brian B. Johnson and Roberto Blake, they all recommend that you use Tubebuddy. Now, with Tubebuddy, it's one click. You pull up a list of things that you can go into your dashboard on it, and you can see your latest video performances, such as I'm looking at now, the news that's happening on YouTube, your subscribers. Oh wow, I got two more. Summary of your video, how it's going, how your top videos are going, and then on the sidebar, it allows you to go into your live subscriber count, goes into your videos. So if you need to work on your videos, you can go into, click on it, and it brings up your whole list of videos and allows you to go into that. Then you can go into your analytics. One click into your analytics is which I like, because it pulls up all the relevant information for your videos. It gives you how many views you have gotten within, say, 28 days. The watch time. You can go into your subscriber count. It tells you how many subscribers you got within that 28 days. And your estimated revenue for the 28 days. It also gives you a wealth of information to use on Tubebuddy. Now, the link and everything for Tubebuddy will be down below. All you do is click on it, and they take you right to the page. Sign in with your YouTube channel through Google, and you're up and running with it. Like I said, the first download is free. If you don't want to go up any higher than the free one, stay with it. I've been using Tubebuddy now for over a year, the free method, and it's great. It's helped me out. The SEO for it helps me with my titles and tags. It helps you. It helps generate everything. It helps you create your thumbnail for your videos. You can go in, capture off the video that you got, select a part of the video that you want to use. Boom. It allows you to put words in it, text, images, change the color if you want to put color, whatever. I'd highly suggest that you try this wonderful, wonderful tool out for free. And then once you go, build up, build up, build up. You got it made. Your next thing you know, you're up there with Mr. Beast. Nah, not yet, but close to it. Working on it. We're going to be. I don't know. Either way, I can't stress the fundamental use of Tubebuddy for everybody out there. So if you want to stand a ghost of a chance of making it big as a YouTube creator, download Tubebuddy. So until next time, this is Tom. I wish you all well, and remember, have a happy day. Bye.